miles per hour. Now they're trying to make steps, but soon they will run at speeds up to 43 miles per hour. In the meantime, they stick together, being in the shadow of their great parents. The wildlife is full of dangers. There are a lot of predators who want to eat these young chicks. The adult bird has practically no enemies, but baby chicks are vulnerable. Thus, their parents are always on the alert. Ostriches become brave and very aggressive during the breeding season. They react to any moving object, rushing to it immediately. First, the bird raises both wings high above its body, trying to scare the enemy. And if it doesn't work, an ostrich rushes at the enemy and tramples it down. The bird can easily reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, so its blow is powerful enough to smash the skull of a lion. No one African animal dares to start fighting with a huge ostrich that weighs more than 300 pounds. But some enemies, like hyenas and jackals, can divert an ostrich's attention by attacking it in groups. While the male tries to scare one predator away, the others manage to steal an egg or a chick out of the nest. Meanwhile, angry females also try to help the male. Having kicked the coyote, this caring father returns quickly to its family. Birds of prey that threaten the chicks are going to suffer the same fate as those other predators. The rest of the ostriches are waiting patiently at a safe distance until the family stakes the thirst. Once all enemies have been eliminated, they can continue to enjoy a drink. Baby ostriches have quenched their thirst and are now ready to follow their parents. Ostriches are polygamous birds. A harem of females gather around the male, but each group always has a dominant female. Females lay eggs into a shallow pit that has been dug by the male that will incubate the egg. Every night a dominant male sits on the eggs, warming them with the heat of its body until the sun appears. This male has only 2 wives, but lots of worries. Their wings, bodies, and tails are fully feathered, and a head, neck, and legs are nearly bare, covered with short down. The lowest part of their leg is covered with scales. Male African ostriches have a visible sexual dimorphism, with females being larger with black and white plumage. Males are mostly gray or brown and small. Moreover, different subspecies of the African ostrich can differ in the color of the legs and beak. Some of them have sandy gray legs, while others have partially bright pink or completely red legs. There was a stretch of time